Welcome to another beautiful Friday in the boatyard, and we are getting rid of an extra hole in the boat we don't really need. This is where the old exhaust pipe passed. This is where I have no idea what passed, maybe a bilge pump, something. This is the new exhaust. The boat has been repowered recently, so we have a new engine. The old exhaust needs to go, just a hole is left. There is a lot of rust here because there was an inox plate just screwed on with a little bit of sealant, and it rusted where the two metals touched. So now we're going to cut this piece out, weld in a new piece, and have our piece.
Rectangular by eye. Is it wrist times P?
How does that translate? It doesn't translate well. Rule of thumb, I think it translates. Stop. Hammer time. So we took the piece, traced it on some 4mm sheet metal. Kira is already ready to cut things out. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready, set, go. Done. Hammer time.
Well, now we see first if it fits.
It doesn't fit like this.
It's too big.
I think it's a bit too big.
Me too.
It should be.
Well, it should be, yeah. But we see if it is too big. No? I mean, the hole is bigger because
Yeah.
the cut, we have to count the cut.
Yeah, I think now it's getting the scrub disc.
Yeah. I first see.
Yeah, try.
Das extra ist jetzt da will eigentlich, oder?
Yeah. It's not too much,
No, it's not way too much.
Huh?
It's not way too much actually, no? Yeah. It's exactly the 2mm too much.
Perfect.
Okay, so what Drovich did was to take off the edge. So so that you then have space to fill it with the welding.
Almost. Again, a bit more this side.
Are you
Corner,
looking
middle,
for
this.
the adhesion
Huh?
forces to make it as perfect that the adhesion forces on the
No,
bin?
no, no. Kira's referring to, I think, the weak atomic force when you have two steel surfaces that are perfectly polished. Perfect. And we're talking perfect. And you press them, you can get the atoms so close to each other, the two of the two surfaces, that, and I think it's the weak atomic force, correct me on this if I'm wrong, that those forces, those elementary physical forces, start attracting the sides to each other and they stick. They don't bond, so you can still take them apart, but they stick. It's not magnetism. It feels a bit like it's sticky. It's just and sticks. Fantastic, but no. And great, now I forgot where I wanted to cut.
I'm sorry.
After 1 million steps up and down this ladder, what felt like 2 hours of angle grinding this piece to perfection, it now is exactly that. Perfect. Our welder asked for a precisely matched piece, and we got him a Swiss precision machine precisely matched piece. Look, there's even this little notch that goes in here. I mean, shouldn't be too proud of your own work, but this took long enough for me to be a little bit proud of, because it's perfect. Just goes in. Not too much, not too little. Actually, I think for welding this is a bit too tight, but this is the joke.